Hello and welcome back again to another video. Now today's video was inspired by this video clip here. As I was watching this, I saw this kind of like a spotlight on the subject. So as you can see, when the subject moves, it spotlight the subject as it moving. So I was thinking if we can do that in Kdenlive. So let's see how we can do that. Jumping over to Kdenlive here, I've got a video clip already. Let's just place this on the timeline. And then let's see, pick one of the subject. So here I want to pick this horse as the subject. So with that in mind, let's go to the effects panel here, and under the main effects, or in the show all video effects, go down to generate, and under the generate you have this vignette effect or vignette effect. I don't know how you pronounce that. You also have this vignette, so you can use this vignette effect. Don't use the vignette effect. So using the vignette effect here, place this on the video clip. As you can see already, it create this nice cycle here with the black in the outside and a faded kind of the in the inside here. So what we can do, we go to the smooth here in the properties, and let's just drag this to 0 to create this nice sub looking edge here. And then in the radius, we can reduce that down to whatever required size that we want. With the x and y value, x is the horizontal and y is the vertical. You can use this to move this little circle around to whatever particulars you want to spotlight. So here's our horse. From the y, let's just bring this down here to the y, and moving back the marker a little bit back in. Okay, let's get the head of the house, and here I just want to move this all the way in here. Now with that, let's go to the opacity, and you can use the slider to slide it up. I already know what value to use, but whatever value you feel okay with you can use that. Now with that, once we're done with setting everything up, now let's add the keyframe. So here, adding the first keyframe, sliding through the clip. As you can see, the subject moves out of the spotlight, so adding another keyframe, and then in the x value, because that's horizontal, moving with the subject, move the marker out as the subject moves out of the frame or out of the spotlight, adding another keyframe there in the x value and move with the subject. And then let's go to the end somewhere here and add another keyframe. I think the subject is there, so just move it back as the video moves away. So there we go. So let's just play this and see how it looks like now. So here's our subject coming out at its spotlight on. As the subject moves, the spotlight is still on the subject. So that's how we can create this little effect on the video clip if you want to isolate the subject to show what the subject from the other part of the video. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back again in another video.